how to download and install Messenger. So if you want to download and install Messenger, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having your stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, and if you're using your iPhone, you need to go with your App Store. After that, go with your search. Under search, you need to go with Messenger. Search for Messenger. After searching, here, this is the Messenger application. So you will have the install or download option right here. If you've not downloaded, then you will have the install or download option. You'll be able to install or download the Messenger from here. So just tap on the install button, and once you tap on install, it will start the installing process, and it might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And after downloading, you can tap on open, and you'll be able to create your account, or if you already have an account, you can go and log in and use your Messenger. So that's how you can download and install Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.